Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here today. I'm gonna show you a recipe super delicious, super easy, and super famous in Latin America. It is a rice with cinnamon, and I will show you step by step how to make this delicious rice. The first step is to rinse the rice. We're gonna do this process real quick. Once the rice is completely rinsed, we're gonna put it in a casserole with a little bit of oil. We're gonna add the cinnamon, and for 3 cups of rice, we're gonna use 3.5 cups of water. We're gonna add a half teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. We're gonna let this to cook medium-high heat without the lid. Once the rice is like this, I'm just gonna mix everything up and I'm gonna let it to cook for at least 20 more minutes, low heat. In a casserole, we're gonna add 2 cans of evaporated milk. In the same can, we're gonna use it for 2 measurements of water. Let's add cinnamon to taste. Let's add cloves or sweet cloves to taste. Also half teaspoon of nutmeg, also 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of sugar. Let's mix all this really well, and now we're gonna add the rice. It is up to you if you wanna keep these cinnamon sticks. Now let's add the rice that is already cooked in the milk. At this point, let's check the sugar and the salt to see if it's the right amount. If it needs more, you can add more. It is important to cook this low heat because otherwise it will burn. Try to keep moving all the time until the rice is completely open. And you'll see the exact point of this rice. My favorite flavor for this rice pudding is lemon zest. So I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon zest. Okay everybody, look at this, you guys. This is so rich and creamy, so delicious. This rice pudding is amazing. In Spanish we call it rice with sweet or rice with milk. Let me know in the comments below, how do you call this delicious dessert that is perfect for the New Year's Eve, Christmas, Thanksgiving, all the special occasions that are coming for the end of the year. Look at this, you guys. This is so amazing. We cannot wait to try it. So let's get to serve it. You can also add raisins to taste. If you like pecans, you can add pecans to this, cranberries, any other nuts of your preference. You can add some honey as well. I'm just gonna put some cinnamon on top. You can either try it cold or hot. We're gonna try it just like this. Also, you can put some nuts, some cranberries, pecans. You can add some honey. It is an amazing dessert. You can have it for breakfast as well. You can substitute the sugar for any sweetener of your preference. Let me know in the comments below if you like this recipe. And if you prepare this recipe in your country, let me know the name that you call this delicious rice pudding. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for staying with us. Hope you like this recipe. God bless you. See you next time. Bye-bye.